this havoc. We're about to break this trade down. I will be going over what happened prior to this just to give a little context, right? And logic behind the trade. Already broke down these, so if you want to see those videos, just go check it out on the channel. I do have a live execution. It will be in the description below and with the link. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, let's get you funded and let's get you making money. So let's break it down. 9:30 opening at this green line. We push up, get a nice inversion over roughly in here, and then we push down for about 100 points. Then, okay, because we know the news is wanting to push the market up. Trump won the election, so the market is going to be reaching up in price. We're looking for the setup right here. Okay, so we had a nice inversion, advanced market structure shift. We move on up. Okay, we take this low hanging fruit, we take this high, and then we start retracing backward. Now, on this leg, as we're retracing backward, we don't get any signals. Okay, we don't get our reversal signal to play this long, okay, for 50 points. So let's use some basic logic. We know the market wants to push higher because of the big news. Okay, we're going down here. This could be a retracement or a lower high to push up and grab and take out this high right here. Okay, well, we wait, we get a signal, we get an inversion right here. There's an overlapping going on. If you want to zoom in real quick, bullish fair value gap right here. Now there's a volume imbalance in the fair value gap, so you got to cover that. Okay, we overlap this bearish fair value gap in red. As you see, we get an advanced market structure shift. We close over this candle body. Okay, we do not over leverage, folks. I trade on the MNQ and you will make good money, I promise you. And then you can add more accounts and copy trade and compound it. But do not over leverage. You will ruin your whole account. It will catch up to you sooner or later. But we have our inversion, we have our advanced market structure shift. We can put one, okay, up here at the inversion. Okay, we get tapped in as it's going down, and I wait for that advanced market structure shift to enter instead of entering in on the inversion, because we did not come down and hit some higher time frame PD array or a prior day low or something like that. Nothing. Okay, so I need a little bit more confirmation that this is ready to push up and grab this high. So what happens is I'm going to wait for the advanced market structure shift over the yellow line to enter. We do. Obviously, I'm aware we have to take some drawdown, and I'm cool with that. I put one micro on as it pulls back into the gap right here. We add another contract, and as it pushes down to 35 points, okay, we add another contract. Okay, stop at the low right here. This is where I stand my ground, okay, at this low. And I'm building as it pulls back. And as it's pulling back, my entry is going to improve, and I'm going to have a nice little take profit as it goes back up and reaches for this high. Once again, my weakness personally is not holding on to trades all the way. Okay, that's been one of my massive weaknesses. It's not a huge deal because usually I take profits like 5 points before it's about to hit the target, which is not really a big deal. But still something I'm trying to improve. One of my weaknesses, not trusting that last 10 to 5 points. Now, risk to reward, it seems skewed initially, but remember, this is about entry, this is about managing risk. You can take a lot of drawdown with micros. It's about identifying where price is going, where you know it's going, and figuring out how to exploit that with your entries and risk management. And if you do that and you do not over leverage, you're gonna make a lot of money in this game. You're gonna make a lot of money. But be flexible, be creative. There's many ways to skin this cat. So let's break it down one more time. We come down with this price leg right here. Logic tells me we want to push up higher. Okay, let me get rid of this text thing. That's annoying. We want to push up higher based off of the news. So that's kind of my higher time PD array replacement. We get an inversion. Okay, we get the advanced market structure shift, and we get in our entry, and we aim for 50 points or to low hanging fruit if you're in alignment with the higher time frame. Okay, so good day of trading. I am absolutely dead exhausted if you can't hear it in my voice. So I'll get at you guys later. Tomorrow's another great day. Stay blessed, stay safe, and keep trading.